Okay, here's the all-in-one video conference camera video bar. The module is infrared iCam VB70. So we open the box. Here's the camera. Okay. User menu. It's remote control. It's one HDMI cable. It's power adapter. We have several adapters for the UK, Europe, and US. So it's universal adapter. And there are some screws for the installation. Okay. We have all its brackets. This is the lens cover for privacy. Okay. Here's the rear panel of the camera. Here's HDMI out, so you can connect with a screen. Power button. It's audio input output, and USB port. You can connect with a touch panel or a keyboard and mouse. This one is a network port, USB Type-C, and the power supply.